Alright, so this car came in only for a turbocharge and an up pipe, but I tried to start it and it sounds like no compression, all the sudden.
Oh! That's like 2 cylinders at least, Doug.
To the left, to the left. Sure, this is a 72nd point turn. Luckily, it runs under its own power, so it's gonna be okay. Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Oh, I think it's not gonna be okay. I think it's not gonna be okay. Look at it, right there. I mean, it has blown head gaskets. We got water on this side. Yes.
That's a little wet oil.
Taste it. It's wet oil. It's wet oil, Arlen. Hello? What is going on? Bro, what is happening?
What's that one?
50?
Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. It just needs a turbo, Chris. The turbo will bring it back. The turbo will bring the compression back, man. So we got 40, 40, 50, 70?
Yeah, 40, 40.
Yeah, it's gotta be the crank. It has to be.
Yeah, it has a jump timing.
But like, how does the crank just jump that much? Here, just, okay, I have to call the customer at this point.
1, 2, 3. Ready? I'm not ready. I'm not ready for the shower. Oh, nice.
What are you doing?
Setting out the pressure.
Yeah, I'm setting out the pressure. It was already set.
No, it was not. And then it goes, that's it.
Yeah, it's like 90.
All right, let's go to the other one.
It's like 90 leak down, bro. At 0.
It's not even holding.
It ain't holding. Yeah, 100 is good. Come on, man.
80. 280.
Like 80, yeah. 50, no 50, no 55,
No,
no
it's
50.
like
Where's that 50? The lowest is 50.
Oh.
Oh, yes, good. One good cylinder. Woo-woo.